Question 14. Given that y is equal to x minus 4 over 2 plus root x, x greater than 0, show that dy by dx is 1 over a root x for x greater than 0, where a is a constant to be found. Well, starting with y is equal to x minus 4 over 2 plus root x, I'm probably going to want to write this root x as a power of x. So it's the same as 2 plus x to the power of a half. Now I'm looking at an algebraic fraction here, and I need to find the derivative, so I'm thinking of my quotient rule. The quotient rule is in the formula booklet, it's just not in the form that I prefer to see it written. So I remember it as du over v by dx is vu dash minus uv dash over v squared, where u dash is du by dx and v dash is dv by dx. So here my numerator u is x minus 4, and I'm going to let v be my denominator, 2 plus x to the power of a half. Differentiating u first of all, to find u dash, x differentiates to 1, 4 is a constant, differentiates to 0, and differentiating v, 2 is a constant, differentiates to 0, multiplying by the power and then subtracting 1 from the power, x to the half differentiates to half x to the power minus a half. Substituting these values into my quotient rule gives me dy by dx is equal to v u dash, 2 plus x to the power of a half, minus u v dash, so that's half x to the minus a half times x minus 4, all over v squared. Expanding the bracket on the numerator first of all, that gives me 2 plus x to the half minus half x to the half plus 2x to the minus a half, all over my 2 plus x to the half all squared. At this point, it might be nice to expand the denominator here. And the reason I'm expanding the denominator is because hopefully we can start to see that there are some similar terms occurring here. It's not quite the same, but similar. We're going to multiply the numerator and denominator here by x to the power of a half, thus eliminating the x to the minus a half on the numerator. So that gives me 2x to the half plus a half x plus 2 on the numerator. And on the denominator, I'm just going to rearrange this. This 4 plus 4x to the half plus x is the same as 4x to the half plus x plus 4. And I'm going to leave that x to the half on the outside of this bracket. And the reason I'm doing that is if we look at the numerator and the denominator now, notice that these terms are a multiple of each other. So these will cancel. This bracket on the denominator is 2 lots of the numerator. And so this becomes 1 over 2x to the half, which is 1 over 2 root x, which is what I wanted to show. My capital A must be equal to 2.